This is a quick demonstration of using tapping if you have self-doubt. So I'm going to start with the karate chop. Even though I doubt if I can make it happen, I deeply love and accept myself. Third eye, even though I may doubt this, I'm not sure, I deeply love and accept myself. No matter what is going on around me, top of the eyebrow, I deeply love and accept myself. I deeply love and accept myself. Side of the eye, under the eye. Even though I'm doubting myself, I know deep inside I deeply love and accept myself. Top of the lip. Not knowing for sure what direction I take, I still deeply love and accept myself. I deeply love and accept myself. Under the chin. Collarbone. I deeply love and accept myself. I deeply love and accept myself. Under the arm. I deeply love and accept myself. I deeply love and accept myself. Let's go to the crown. Even though I may doubt what I'm going to do or I have self-doubt at times, I know I deeply love and accept myself. Thank you.